Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to permanently delete your PayPal account, whether it's a PayPal business account or a PayPal personal account. I'm going to show you exactly how to delete it permanently. Keep watching. So you want to sign in into your PayPal account, whether it's a business account or a personal account. Sign in into your PayPal account, and after that you go to the settings tab, click on account settings. It will bring you to this page, and then to the left of the screen you click on account preference. Click on account preference and it will bring you to this new page where you see your time zone, your customer service message, and your account type. So as you can see, this particular account type is business. So if yours is personal, to tell you. So click on the close account at the right side. So once you tap on that, it will ask you for a security check. It will do a security check. So you'll be asked to receive a text message to your particular phone number. So if you don't have access to this phone number, it's advisable that you change it first before clicking next. So you receive the code. After receiving the code, all you need to do is to enter that security code in the box. So enter the security code and click on continue. And then it will confirm your identity and bring you to this page where you finalize your attempt to close your account. So just go ahead and click on continue. Then it will ask you for the reason for closing your account. There are a lot of reasons that is stated there, a whole lot of reasons. Now if for any reason your reason is not listed, then you just click on order, and you'll be able to leave a comment and tell them what it is, in the box, and tell them what your reason was. So go ahead and click anyone. I just picked no longer needed / one-time use. Then I go ahead and click on continue. If you want to leave any comments, you can type in a comment. Then they tell you that you can confirm now. If you don't want to confirm, you can just cancel it, but I want to confirm. I want to go ahead, so I just clicked on confirm, and that's it. My account has been deleted forever. So as you can see, I tried logging back into this account and it wasn't going through, all because the account has been permanently deleted now. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. Leave me a comment below if it was helpful. Share this video and subscribe if you like my content, and I'll see you in my next one. If you have any video requests, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.